the horror space opera My Poor Alien by Psy. Take it away.
Today's the day. I'm going to write for the Pulitzer. All right. My Poor Alien, a horror space opera by Psy. Night fell on the far side of the moon, and Captain Honeycutt realized how alone he was. So very alone, so many months, waiting and waiting for word from Houston that a relief mission was coming. Then all of a sudden, the radio kicked on, and he thought perhaps it was Houston, but no. These signals were nothing he'd ever heard before. They were coming from the other side of the solar system.
They're nothing I've heard before. It sounds like they're coming from the other side of the solar system.
He scrambled for every dial, knob, lever, and button he could find to help him clarify the signal. And he discovered NASA had installed a translator panel. He'd never seen that one before. He inserted the translator to his ear, and it spoke.
Anybody out there? It's very lonely and dark.
I'm out here.
He didn't realize it wasn't a two-way radio. It only came the one direction.
It would work much better if I could hear anything back ever.
Of course. It was time for him to finally deploy the giant antenna so that he could send a signal. He needed to change all of the settings and turn it toward the source of the signal, somewhere beyond Jupiter, beyond Neptune. Perhaps as far as the other planet. You know the one. I'm not going to say it.
It's pointed toward Uranus.
And he broadcast toward the source of the alien signal.
I can hear you, and I'm very lonely.
We got somebody, Curran. I can hear you too.
Suddenly he realized there were multiple signals. One of them was coming from the other side of the base.
I'm over it.
Slowly.
This signal, it's coming from inside the base.
Slowly he creeped to the other side, past the galley, past the living quarters, toward the large storage room that had always creeped him out a little bit, so he never really went in there, even when he needed extra stuff. And there she was.
Surprise!
Captain Honeycutt didn't realize she'd been there this entire time.
Oh, I am so absent-minded. I am sorry, Katie. I thought you went back to Earth.
No, I was playing a trick on you. I was hiding.
You scared me.
Captain Honeycutt was excited to tell him about his new discovery, and they ran back into the control room to listen to the signal together.
Okay, I'm coming.
I pointed the antenna near you know where.
No.
Yeah. And I got a signal.
Yeah.
And I can hear it through this thing. Here, listen.
He shared his thing so she could listen.
Are you there? I'm still here. I've been waiting like a while now.
Oh, well.
They sent coordinates. They sent
Hang on.
coordinates to the signal in order to make sure that if the alien were in fact able to reach them, it would know where to show up.
Oh, I'll go to these. This seems like a good plan.
What they didn't realize, of course,
Home to the left at the Circle K.
was that the alien signal wasn't just one alien, but an entire armada planning to invade through the moon.
Oh,
Everybody got their lasers? We need to make sure the lasers are good. Yeah, I'm good. Good lasers. More lasers.
I only made enough tea for one.
There are 47 of us.
Ah,
Sorry, maximum occupancy is 12.
Oh dear.
Clap, clap, clap.
So the aliens turned around and the Earth was saved by a capacity and the fire marshal. The end.
Let's hear it for Cy. Creating another masterpiece for us.